Hello and welcome to the Handyman's World, the right place for quick and easy fixes. Today we're dealing with a leaking coffee machine. So let's stop talking and start working. So the gasket we need to replace is, as you can see, this one right here, the outer one. The inner one is still in good shape. So how do we remove this gasket? It's extremely simple. First of all, using this Allen key, we are going to unscrew the inner shower screen. Alright, this gasket is held in place by this metal plate right here, which is itself held in place by the check valve. So the only way to remove the check valve is by using this small removal tool. It's nothing more than a 17mm nut with 4 small pins and a screw in the middle to hold it in place. As you can see, the valve has these 4 small holes. So just insert the nut with the pins into the holes. Then tighten the screw. Give it a little snug, okay? That's enough. Then, using a 17mm wrench, unscrew the valve. And please don't try to remove it in the way I did in the past, with snap ring pliers, because you won't get it loose, you'll just break everything and at the end you'll have to buy this little removal tool anyway. As you can see, the valve and the retaining plate came right out. Give the plate a quick rinse, then we'll install the new gasket. This is the correct way to install the gasket. Let's remove the damaged gasket, then install the new gasket onto the machine. Thread it by hand first, then tighten it with the wrench. There you go. Once it's fully seated, give it the final snug. Alright, now we can remove the removal tool. Guys, seriously, don't try to improvise, always use this tool. You can find it just for a few dollars on eBay or Amazon. Okay, perfect. Now let's reinstall the inner shower screen. Perfect, as you can see, the gasket is now installed correctly. Keep in mind, I use this machine every single day, twice a day. And I only have to replace the outer gasket about once every year or year and a half. Considering it costs just few dollars, I'd say it's pretty reasonable. Alright, now let's make some coffee. Guys, check out these awesome LED lights lighting up my Mokona. I installed them on both sides under the cabinet, complete with their own switch. I leave the LED tutorial linked right here on the screen. Alright, let's make our coffee. Perfect, as you can see, it's not leaking anymore. So now it's time to enjoy our coffee. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next tutorial.